A sewing machine will work correctly if the bobbin is put in correctly. On the Singer Promise 2 Model 1512, first start by sliding off the accessory box that covers up the bobbin area. Now I want to show you how to correctly put the bobbin into the bobbin case, how to correctly put it back in, and then also how to bring the bobbin thread up to the top so you're ready to sew. So first thing, you're going to notice that I'm going to be using my left hand, because if I take my left index finger, it is easier. That will bring this latch straight out and give you an easy way to hold on to the bobbin case. Also, if you keep the latch out, the bobbin does not fall out. So once you're ready to take the bobbin out, let go of the latch and it will come right out into your hands. Go ahead and give it a pull. It will probably be tight because the thread is in the tension area. So I want to show you how important this is, plus how important it is that the thread, the bobbin, is put in correctly. So you can actually put it in two ways. You need to put it in so the bobbin thread comes off the right side. So if it is flipped over, things don't always work as well. So with the bobbin hanging off the right side, all you need to do is set it in the bobbin case. Now once it's there, you're looking for the side of the bobbin case with that little tiny groove here. Bring the thread down into the groove. Next, there is a piece of metal that we're going to slide the thread behind that's between the bobbin case and this little kind of C area. Now to do that, sometimes it's easier if you keep the bobbin from spinning by putting your finger on the top. Then that way as you pull down on that thread, it just slides between those two areas. And you'll feel that the thread has a little bit of resistance on it now. It doesn't matter if the thread is over on the right or the left side of this finger when you go to put it on. Either side works. And then again, transfer the bobbin case to your left hand. Use that latch to help hold it. And again, that little finger should be straight up. You can see where it's going to go. It goes right up here in this little top holder. So as you slide it all the way in, make sure it gets all the way in so it doesn't fall down like that, but give it a push once those two actually line up. You might even hear a little click there. Next, you'll want to bring the bobbin thread up to the top, and to do so, have the machine threaded with the thread through the needle up here. Hold on to this thread and then take one complete stitch, and that's turning the hand wheel towards you so the needle comes all the way down. And if you watch right down through here, you'll see a pink thread kind of sliding by. That's the one from our needle coming to get the bobbin thread. Make sure you bring your needle all the way up and then also the take-up lever all the way up as you finish the stitch. And now you can just lift the needle thread up through the middle of the foot, and the bobbin thread is this loop. So all you have to do is pull that loop out, take both the threads down through the middle of the foot, close the door, and I always put this little small cover on that's like my little work surface. And then let's just see if the machine sounds correctly threaded. As you lower your foot onto the fabric, step on your foot control. I'm on a little zigzag here, so we hear that it all sounds good. And as we take it out, we should see the same stitch on the front as we do on the back, and then you know everything is correct. Now if you run into problems, don't forget, change your needle, make sure that bobbin is spinning correctly, okay, which will be clockwise. Also make sure you have cleaned and put a little oil in underneath in the bobbin area. So we do have a video for you to check out on that. And again, just make sure you're using good quality thread. All those things make a difference to have a successfully sewn stitch.